Hi friends, in this video we have studied the second unit of the theory of motion. Second is the helical gear. What is the helical gear? Helical in previous section we have studied had the various type of the gear and the various type of the gear application in previous lecture. Then what is the helical gear? Helical gear is the teeth are the helix at the some angle. This is called as the helical gear. Then in previous lecture we have studied the spur gear, that is a spur gear, the terminology of the spur gear, application of the spur gear, and then interference, to avoid the interference, what is the undercutting we have studied in a previous section, that is the unit number 1. And in this video we have studied the helical gear. Helical gear, what is the terminology of helical gear, and the problem of the problem on module, problem on interference we have studied in this video. Okay, the first point will be the terminology of the helical gear. What is the terminology of the helical gear? That is this is the sectional view at NN. This is the normal number of, this is the sectional view of normal plane, and this is the number of teeth and the number of teeth, sectional view of the top view, and this is the normal tangential transfer plane and the normal plane. This is the normal plane and this is the transfer plane. Okay, and in this first parameter will be the helix angle. What is the helix angle? Helix angle, it is the angle between the axis of the shaft and the center line of teeth. Axis of the shaft and the center line of the teeth. Suppose this is the axis of the line and this is the normal plane. This angle is called as the helix angle. This is called as the helix angle. What is the helix angle? The first parameter of the terminology of helical gear, it is the nothing but the helix angle, that is it is the angle between the axis of the shaft and the center line of teeth. And second parameter will be the transverse circular pitch. Transverse circular pitch. What is the circular pitch? Circular pitch is the distance between the corresponding point on the adjacent teeth measured along the pitch circle is called as the circular pitch. But in this we have studied the transverse circular pitch. What is the transverse circular pitch? It is the distance between the corresponding the points on adjacent teeth measured along the pitch circle in transfer plane. Suppose in transfer plane मध्ये जर number of teeth means adjacent teeth measured along the pitch circle, this is called as the transverse circular pitch. That is a transverse circular pitch. It is the distance between the corresponding point on the adjacent teeth measured along the pitch circle in a transfer plane. This is the suppose this is the transfer plane and this is the one teeth and this is the another second. This is the one adjacent to the second adjacent measured along the transfer plane. This is called as the circular pitch. This is called as the circular pitch. And third parameter will be the normal circular pitch. Normal circular pitch, it is the distance between the, it is denoted by the Pn. The definition will be the, it is the distance between the corresponding point on adjacent teeth measured along the pitch circle is the normal plane. It is the distance between the two corresponding the point on the adjacent teeth measured along the pitch circle in a normal plane. Pitch circle वरती the normal plane मध्ये जर number of teeth आप corresponding जर असेल adjacent teeth तर त्याला काय म्हणणार तुम्ही normal circular pitch. Normal circular pitch. Cos alpha is equal to the Pn upon Pt. Cos alpha is equal to Pn upon cos alpha, that is this triangle will be considered, that is alpha. What is the cos alpha? Cos alpha is the Pn, that is the adjacent side to the corner, that is a hypotenuse, is a Pt, means tangential, and this is the Pn. Okay, then the cos alpha will be the Pn upon Pt. The Pt, that is the Pn is the normal circular pitch and Pt nothing but the tangential or transverse circular pitch into cos alpha. We know that the What is the circular pitch? Circular pitch is nothing but the pi into module. Pi into module. Circular pitch. What is the circular pitch? Pi into mn. That is circular pitch म्हणजे काय? Pi into mn into pi. Module means pi into module. Okay. Then pi into module. That is a normal module. That is a normal module into pt काय असणार तुमचा? Pi into transfer module into cos alpha. Pi get cancel. Mn is equal to mt cos alpha. Mn nothing but the mn means normal module and mt is a transfer module. Mn is the normal module and transfer mt is the transfer module. Okay. What is the circular pitch? Circular pitch means pi into module. Pi into module. Then what is a normal module? Normal module is a pi into normal module into tangential module into pi into cos alpha. Pi get cancelled. We have get the mn is equal to mt cos alpha is mn is equal to normal module, mt is equal to transfer module. Okay. Then the next parameter will be the fourth parameter, that is the force transfer pressure angle. That is the fourth parameter is the transfer pressure angle phi t. Transfer pressure angle nothing but the pressure angle measured along the transfer plane. Measured along the transfer plane is called as the transfer pressure angle. Is called as the transfer pressure angle. The transfer pressure angle is nothing but the phi t. The pressure angle measured along the transfer plane. Transfer plane मध्ये जर pressure angle measure केला असेल तर त्या angle ला काय म्हणणार तुम्ही? Transfer pressure angle. And the fifth one will be the normal pressure angle, that is the phi n. Normal pressure angle, the pressure angle measured along the normal plane is called as the normal pressure angle, and it is denoted by the phi n, and that is a cos alpha is equal to tan phi upon tan phi t. म्हणजे मीन्स काय तुमचं इन प्रिव्हियस मध्ये काय पाहिलं होतं तुम्ही? cos alpha is equal to pn. normal circular pitch upon tangent transfer circular pitch. In this case tan phi means transfer pressure angle upon normal pressure angle upon transfer pressure angle. This is the terminology of helical gear, which will the five terminology is used in a helical gear. First will be the helix angle. What is the helix angle? It is the angle between the axis of the shaft and the center line of the teeth. And transverse circular pitch, it is the distance between the corresponding points on adjacent teeth measured along the circular pitch. म्हणजे हे जे डिस्टन्स असणार आहे तुमचं ते काय असणार तुमचं सर्क्युलर pitch. And normal circular pitch is the distance measured along the corresponding point on adjacent teeth measured along the pitch circle in the normal plane. Normal plane मध्ये जर corresponding मधलं the corresponding म्हणजे एकमेकांच्या जवळचे जे डिस्टन्स असतील ते नॉर्मल प्लेनमध्ये असतील तर त्याला काय म्हणणार तुम्ही? नॉर्मल सर्क्युलर पिच. दॅट इज अ कॉस अल्फा इज इक्वल टू द पी एन अपॉन pt. Pn is equal to pt upon cos alpha. Then we have get the after calculation we have get the mn is equal to mt cos phi. Mt is nothing but the normal module and mt is the transfer module. Fourth will be the transfer pressure angle. The transfer pressure angle means काय आहे? The pressure angle. The pressure angle जर ट्रान्सफर प्लेनमध्ये जर तुम्ही मेजर करत असाल तर त्याला काय म्हणणार तुम्ही? ट्रान्सफर प्रेशर अँगल. अँड नॉर्मल प्रेशर अँगल, द प्रेशर अँगल मेजर्ड अलॉंग द नॉर्मल प्लेन इज कॉल्ड ॲज द normal pressure angle. It is denoted by the phi n. Cos alpha is equal to tan phi n upon tan phi t. This is the terminology of the helical gear. Okay, thank you.